tofu. I think it's a pumpkin flower, but I've planted pumpkins and squash here. So we'll see what blooms soon. And it's almost a minute. So I'll see you soon with more different content. Summer gardening with Green Swan.